Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore apps you've deleted from your Android phone, even if you don't remember their names. Sometimes we remove an app by mistake and later realize we need it again. Don't worry, there's an easy way to find and reinstall those apps. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. Once it loads, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Manage Apps and Device. After that, switch to the Manage tab. Here, you'll see a list of apps currently installed on your phone. Next, tap on the Installed option and change it to Not Installed. This will display all the apps that were previously downloaded on your device but are no longer installed. Browse through the list and find the app you want to recover. Once you find it, tap the checkbox next to it. After selecting your app, tap the download icon in the top right corner to reinstall it. That's it! Your app will start downloading and will be restored to your phone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and updates.